Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Mrityunjay and I am from Patna, and currently I am pursuing MTech and currently I am in 4th year. So right now I am doing hybrid MTech from IIT Patna, and currently my course is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So currently I just have attended this workshop here which has been organized by IIT Patna on the RAG.
Okay, so what is your, how did you get to know about this hybrid course?
I came to know about this hybrid course from one of my friend. Then I researched, and then I just researched researched online, and then I just got a lot of testimonies from other students from Microtech, from IIT Patna, and then I just decided that I should be pursuing this course.
Okay, so first you reassured yourself about the genuinity of the course, and then you enrolled into it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. And कुछ लोग ऐसा कहते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे ना कि हाइब्रिड कोर्स है, क्या ही पढ़ाते होंगे, क्या ही देते होंगे ये लोग बदले में,
No.
कि पैसा दे दिए, डिग्री ले लो, बस इतना ही है.
No. In these terms, like this course is absolutely very good for the faculties that you will get to know the real because the real faculties who teaches in offline course, the same faculties actually teach in the online course as well. And the best part is that you will get an exposure, you will get an experience to interact with those faculties. You will get to know that how they are thinking, how where they see us in next 2 years or next upcoming 5 years, where they want to see the upcoming generations, because they are well versed with the upcoming trends, upcoming researches and market as well, because that's a part. Because in IIT because basically we don't care much about market, we care about research, because a lot of faculty you will see they are oriented towards research. So you will get to know them, and in the second year when you will be doing your thesis work, there you will be interacting with them, you will be getting an opportunity, they will interact with you. If you actually will give a time, if you are ready to dedicate yourself, then they will be giving you time. But if you are just doing shits, then they won't be actually entertaining you. That's a part of game. That's the same process actually happens in offline as well. Not everyone gets proper attention from the teachers. This is the part of thing.
So how was your experience with the faculty in the online classes and the administration in the offline session that you are currently attending the workshops? The faculty members and the administration.
Fantastic. When I was studying online, there was nothing because we can actually interact verbally, because that what makes this course unique. And in other courses which I have seen online, the people usually chat, which is not very feasible, because when you will be writing down your thoughts, you will lose 50% of the context.
Yeah, obviously.
But when it comes that when you have to speak verbally, you will have ample of thoughts, ample of context, which you can share with your teacher, and they can actually reply to you on the same thing in that duration of time. And when it comes to our workshop, it's completely offline, so here you can ask anything. It's just like a classroom program.
How was your experience in the workshops that was held today?
That is very good. The faculty was awesome, and the course was also organized in a very fantastic manner. And it is a well structured course, and this is a very hot topic, RAG, because what we were doing today. So it was very good.
It was very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so how would you rate it out of 10? Okay, the faculty members that teach you.
Faculty are 10 of 10.
10 out of 10.
There is
the workshops.
Workshop you can actually deduce 1.9. Okay.
And the administration, the IIT Patna hostel facilities.
There you can get to 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. And IIT Patna campus.
It's 10 of 10.
10 out of 10. Hybrid program that you are pursuing.
Look, if that depends that with which part we are comparing. If you will compare, like people get misunderstood, when you are comparing hybrid with offline, then that makes no sense. That because
obviously, that is a different.
That is a different comparable. They both share and they both have a different metrics. But when you compare this hybrid program with other hybrid programs, in that case it is 10 of 10.
It is 10 of 10.
It is 10 of 10.
Okay, so your overall experience here?
Average of everything, 9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay. And how did this course, this hybrid, specifically speaking, this hybrid course helps you in your career?
So this hybrid course first of all helped me in developing a new skill, because I am a startup founder. Okay, so this course actually personally helped me in 2 ways. To be honestly speaking, first of all, this course actually helped me in developing new skills. On top of everything, like the schools kept me updated with other new stuffs, what is going trending in my specific my domain, as I have told you, because faculty matters, your circle matters, like with whom you are sitting, with what kind of knowledge do they have, because the same knowledge you will be actually obtaining from them as well now.
Yes.
So because I am working, I have worked with some of the prestigious companies as well. I don't want to disclose the name, but
Yes.
I have worked with them, and they're also like what gap I have identified that you are not aware of, because you have to put a lot of effort to learn new things, what is going in the market, what exactly things are going on, because social media won't help you much. The algorithm are designed in a way that whatever you are searching, it will give you results specific in that domain as well only. So there it's very difficult to cope up with the recent trends, but here what will be the benefit that when you will be actually discussing things with the faculties, they will be guiding you, they can actually look the things in a more specific, in a depth manner, like what you can do, you will. So that's all. That's what I felt is very good. This is the first part, and the second part, like after skills, it provided me a network exposure, which you can say. So that is the second benefit which I have obtained from this course.
Okay. So did you participate in any of the sports activities?
Like this time I didn't participate in anything, but I believe that there was a volleyball
Yes,
going on yesterday, because I had a placement drive on yesterday, so I
yes.
was busy. I was a lot busy there.
Okay, so what are your views on the placement opportunities and the placements drive that happens here, being a hybrid student?
Look, I don't have because we are actually participating in placement opportunities. To be honestly speaking, I just wanted to feel this experience as well, because this is a part of curriculum only. So placements, because I am very happy that we are getting an opportunity to interact with, we are getting an opportunity to sit in a placement, because a lot of hybrid programs are actually doing this kind of thing, that they promise you but they won't allow you that, because this is that whether you are getting placement or not, this is a very different thing from my thing, that it is a part of curriculum, it is a part of experience which you should get in during your masters. So with this, actually I am getting here, and I am very happy with that, and rest what happens after placement, that depends on my skill and the interviewers point of view as well.
Okay.
So let's see.
How was your experience out of 10?
I told you it's an average 9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.